So like you guys know, हम अजमेर पहुंच चुके हैं एंड फॉर दिस ट्रिप आई एक्चुअली हैड टू चेंज माई लैपटॉप. माई लैपटॉप 4-5 साल पुराना था, स्लो हो चुका था एंड आई वॉज थिंकिंग विच वन टू बाई. सो आई विल शो यू द ऑप्शन विच आई बॉट एंड टेकिंग दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी मैं आपको ये भी बताऊँगा दैट अगर किसी को वीडियो एडिटिंग के लिए लेट्स से मैक एप्पल का लैपटॉप चाहिए या मैकबुक चाहिए, which laptop should the person go in for? So what is going to be the cheapest option but still आप video editing कर सकते हो? What is going to be the best value for money for you? And what is like a beast when you talk about a laptop? मतलब बैंड बजा देगा स्पीड की, वो इतना फास्ट है, इतना सीमलेसली काम करेगा, बट ऑब्वियसली दैट कम्स एट अ प्राइस. सो लेट मी फर्स्ट शो यू द वन विच आई परचेज. आई विल ऑल्सो टेल यू मैंने ये वाला क्यों चूज़ किया आउट ऑफ द 3 ऑप्शंस, and then I will tell you the differences and the comparisons between the 3 of them. So now I'll take you through the laptop which I have taken, and obviously I'm not carrying a box because मैं अजमेर में हूँ और दिल्ली में कल ही लिया था मैंने. So without further ado हम laptop देखते हैं. This is a laptop that I have taken in from the Apple store. I still have maintained the packing. मैंने जब इनॉग्रेशन यहाँ करना है तो why not just open it here. थोड़ा सा इसको खोलने में दिक्कत आती है, but there goes the wrapper. This time I took a different color. I always thought कि colors change करो तो better रहता है. This is a 14-inch MacBook Pro, and this comes with a M1 Pro chip. It has an 8-core CPU, and even the GPU is much better, and I'll take you through why I purchased this. But before doing that, I will be showing you the comparison between the different laptops that we have been talking about. So which MacBooks were we talking about? अगर आपका limited budget है, let's say you are on a very tight rope budget and you want a budget friendly Apple laptop, तो पहली बात तो ये है कि बजट और एप्पल, क्या बात है यार, क्या मजाक कर रहे हो? एप्पल थोड़ी कोई बजटेड चीज़ बनाता है. बट येस, दिस टाइम दे हैव समथिंग विच यू सी ऑन द स्क्रीन एज मैकबुक एयर विच स्टार्ट्स एट दिस प्राइस. दिस इज द चीपेस्ट maybe laptop that you can get from Apple, and the configurations which it has, the M1 chip in itself is so powerful. And if you talk a little bit about technical stuff, the hardware is so well optimized with the software that ये जो configuration है CPU of 8 core, GPU 7 core is really going to work well if you are at the basic level of video editing. If you are going a little, let's say a step ahead of that, then the suggestion would be कि आप इसको 16 GB memory तक, RAM तक आप इसको expand कर लो, and it will allow you to edit even videos up to 4K. They are fast and they're faster than most of the Intels जो आपको मिलेंगे. Now RAM upgrade करने का फ़ायदा ये है कि अगर आप heavy user हो या आपको let's say multitasking भी करनी है, then this allows you to do that activity also, and it would run pretty smoothly. Now there could be upgrades, let's say to the core, the GPU, the CPUs, but उसका कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है because इंडिया में जब आप upgrades करते हो तो वो एक upgrade जो है वो अच्छा significant amount का होता है, and by doing just maybe a couple of upgrades आप सीधा इससे MacBook Pro के लेवल पे पहुंच जाओगे, 13 इंच के लेवल पे. सो इट्स देन दैट केस इट वुड बी बेटर टू बाय अ 13 इंच MacBook Pro, बट देन इट मीन्स कि हम बजट के बाहर चले गए हैं. So for a budgeted option, this is excellent. This is very good. This gives you flexibility to work around. It's very lightweight. It has 256 SSD, which is again very fast. You can expand the memory or increase the memory till 2 TB. But if you want to multitask, you want to edit some heavy videos, just increase your RAM to 16 GB, and that should do well for you. So now let's talk about what is the best buy of money for you. कौन सा MacBook Pro आपको actually value for money है, which takes me to the 14-inch MacBook Pro. Why is this value for money? पहली बात, 14-inch obviously a bigger display, M1 Pro chip के साथ 8-core CPU, 14-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine. Memory, obviously a 16 GB memory comes in. You can increase it, I think, to 24. or maybe a little more. You have a 512 GB SSD storage, which is super fast. You have a MagSafe charger, and the best part is it has one of the latest display that Apple has, which is a Liquid Retina XDR display. So it's bigger, it's better, it's faster. The good part about this is the software and the hardware again is so well optimized that आपको जो difference मिलेगा वो tremendous मिलेगा when you start using this as a an option for you. Now, if you want, to further enhance this, there's not going to be too much of a difference shifting from this 8 core to a 10 core, and CPU, जबकि GPU आपका जो मेन एडिट्स वीडियो एडिट्स के लिए यूज़ होगा वो उतना ही रहेगा, and everything else remains the same, but your pocket will get lighter by 20,000 rupees, which I don't think is worth the grade. And if you move further ahead, इसके प्राइजेस लेट्स से अगर आप M1 Pro को M1 Max चिप के साथ एक्सचेंज करना चाहते हैं, देन अगेन माई सजेशन वुड बी नॉट टू गो फॉर दैट, बिकॉज द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी दैट यू विल बी शेलिंग आउट फॉर दिस, इट्स बेटर टू गो इन फॉर अ हायर वर्जन ऑफ द लैपटॉप. One thing which I would however suggest is that if you want to increase the storage, it's a decent price in Apple to pay to shift from 512 to 1 TB of storage. Now the only problem is I haven't tried the online stores, but अगर आप Apple stores पे जाते हो, रीसेलर्स, प्रीमियम ऑथराइज रीसेलर्स के पास जाते हो, तो अगर आप ऑर्डर करके टाइम पे उनको बताते हो कि हमें 512 का 1 TB स्टोरेज चाहिए, द डिलीवरी टाइम इज़ 4 to 6 weeks, not days. 4 to 6 weeks is the delivery time for such a minor change, because उनके हिसाब से ये पूरा बन के आपके लिए स्पेशल आएगा. अगेन मैटर ऑफ चॉइस, आप स्टोरेज बढ़ाते हो या आप एक्सटर्नल हार्ड ड्राइव लेके एक्स्ट्रा डेटा उसके अंदर रखते हो, that is something which you can do. You have a choice of choosing a faster power adapter, but at the end of the day I would suggest that this is the one which is the best buy of money for you. There are many good deals running on. As far as I am concerned, I also bought this model because I had some benefits. I got a benefit of a cashback benefit. Then मेरा पुराना Mac था, I sold that. That also gave me a good return. And the store had some offers running. So it gave me a lot of benefit while going in for this. But yes, I shifted to 14 Pro because I was already using a 13 Pro. So from 13 Pro, MacBook Air पे जाना सेंस नहीं बनती. But from 13 Pro to go to a 14 Pro was very logical for me, which is the shift which I did. Now, I'll tell you which is the beast laptop here. So the beast laptop that we were talking about is MacBook Pro 16-inch. This is a super fast MacBook. आपकी वीडियो एडिटिंग विल गो टू डिफरेंट लेवल. आप 6K वीडियोस कर रहे हो, आप 12K वीडियोस कर रहे हो, आप रॉ वीडियोस कर रहे हो, आप इजीली इनको एडिट कर सकते हो इस पर. दिस इज समथिंग, अगर आपका बजट कोई कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं है एंड यू वांट द बेस्ट अवेलेबल, देन यू शुड शिफ्ट इनटू दिस. नाउ द ओनली थिंग टू नोट हेयर इज, अगर आप M1 Pro चिप से M1 Max चिप पे जाते हो, then automatically, let's say we are choosing this selection, it shows a 16 GB unified memory. जैसे ही आप इसको M1 Max चिप करोगे, automatically memory आपकी वो 32 GB हाईलाइट कर देगा. So this is why it works very well in tandem, and it allows you to edit your videos in a super fast manner. Yes, like I always say, storage is always a benefit. If you want, you can increase your storage. It already comes with 1 TB here. You can go to a 2 TB at a price of 40,000. Again, a choice which you want to make. And India में टाइम वही है, 4 से 6 हफ्ते लगेंगे अगर आप उस टाइम पे ऑर्डर देते हो to get this customized for you. So that is what it is all about, friends. I just wanted to take this opportunity कि आपको मैं बताऊँ एक बजट फ्रेंडली लैपटॉप क्या है, एक बेस्ट वैल्यू फॉर मनी लैपटॉप क्या है, एंड एक बीस्ट लैपटॉप किसको कहते हैं. So you can explore this, and there are a lot of technical things into this, encoders, decoders, a lot of other technical stuff. ज़्यादा मुझे भी नहीं पता उनके बारे में, but I have heard a lot when I talk to my IT friends. But it is ultimately the harmony between the hardware and the software जिसकी वजह से ये लैपटॉप इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं. So basis your need, basis your budget, take your pick, go ahead, choose any of these laptops and enjoy video editing on these laptops. From where did I purchase? In Delhi. Description में मैं link दूंगा. I will share the link of the address of the place where I bought this, the store, the manager's name and number. and maybe if you go there with a reference, you will get the best possible price and the discount that is available at that point of time. So till then, have a nice day, have a nice night. Tomorrow we will be in Udaipur, and then we will be sharing with you what we are going to do there in the next few days.